Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we will be looking at how we have this severe storm that just formed out of nowhere in the south. But first, if we look at the severe storm outlook, you can see that we are currently looking at a severe storm throughout most of the mid-US and south. And then we have a tornado risk over here in Oklahoma. And then tomorrow it gets less severe with just a few storms all spread out and even a few storms down in Florida. Also, if we take a sneak peek into the future, you can see that everywhere above this blue line, we will most likely be having a white Christmas for many areas across the east and pretty much everywhere that's above this area. And we're even looking at some flurries just all around, which even a flurry is good for Christmas. Next, if we look at the radar, you can see that we currently have tons of rain across much of the east coast and a bunch of snow over here in the west. And then we're still having a bit of freezing rain over here in West Virginia. And then if we keep going, you can see that all this rain just disintegrates, becoming a small issue. But then we also get smashed with a ton of snow over here in the west. Then if we keep going, this becomes a very severe storm on Monday over here by Ohio and Kentucky. And then we even just have snow piling up and up over here in the northwest. And then if we keep going, this storm becomes less severe and we continue with this pattern of snow in the northwest. Next, another thing we will have to be watching is our precipitation, as we will be getting up to 5 inches over here in the northwest coast. And then we'll also have a bunch of rain clusters over here in the east, but we'll mainly be focusing on the northwest coast because we are looking at most likely a bunch of landslides and flash floods. Also, taking a quick look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you can see that we have very above average over here in the west, but then we do have below average over here in the east. Finally, looking at the wind stream map, you can see that we currently have these warm temperatures pushing in from the Pacific over here in the west, but then we also have another cool trough just pushing in from the north as usual, where the Great Lakes are.